Odoo HR Attendance Lunchtime Break. Odoo HR Attendance Break enables users to pause and resume HR attendances on check-in or check-out and kiosk with this module. The user must allow the attendance beak on the kiosk and the attendance break during check-in and check-out. The user must click the break button to take a break, then to resume check-in after the break, they must click the resume button once more. Additionally, all of the break times will be included on the attendance sheet. To see more videos about Odoo, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.